What's up, my Fab fam? So today we're just braiding my hair. So recently I just cut my hair like a month ago, I want to say. I'm going to keep my hair natural, so I want to start doing things to make it grow. Stay tuned if you want some hair growth tips, because baby, we're going to be throwing real soon. But as you can see on the sides, some of it is shorter than other. It looks like that it's thinner, but that's only because I didn't comb it out. So we're not going to worry about that. But as we go on to this video, keep in mind that some areas are shorter than others. So it may take me, 1 or 2 tries to grip it and catch it and things. And when I say I tried my best with parting my hair the best I could, y'all know I can't see in the back of my head. I ain't have no extra mirrors over here. I'm over at my mom's house. So, she don't have that many mirrors posted up for me to just put it down and look, So we're going to go ahead and just do what we do. My butt started to get all tired and stuff from sitting on the floor. So I'm sitting on my knees right now. But I noticed that y'all couldn't see. So I'm going to sit back down so y'all can see the back of my head. So I ended up taking a break. So I was just showing y'all the back of my head. So this how far I got along. It actually took me like 2.5 days because I kept stopping and leaving and going places. Y'all know I had to eat. I'm a real greedy person. But anywho. Baby, it seemed like it was taking me forever to do this. And these sides right here, it's taking me everything to grip these little things. But when I say I was in the kitchen, I was in the kitchen because I was catching all on. You hear me? Okay, this is my finished product. I end up curling my ends. I'm gonna try to sit y'all up somewhere so y'all get a 360 of my head. So thank you for tuning in. Come back for more.